Let's get started. So I will share my screen now. Okay, so this is what we're going to be. Exercise 10.9 from TN State Board Book. Let's look at the first problem. Okay, the first problem is to one minute. Find the order and degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of 1 by 4 equal to 0. So what is the order of this equation? First, we can find the order. That's
Boost.
we should look at what is the highest derivative. First derivative or second derivative or third derivative. So what is the highest derivative? It is t square by d square y by dx square. Second derivative, that is the highest. Otherwise, we see dy by dx and then only x. So order is 2. D square y by dx square. And what is the degree?
Three, sir.
Yeah. The degree is the degree of the highest order term. Okay. So in this case, what is the degree of d square y by dx square? So that is what we need to see. It looks like it is 1 here. But before identifying that degree, we have to make sure that there are no fractional powers. So we have to remove the fractional powers in the equation. Okay. Of the derivatives, first or second order, whatever, all the derivatives should not be of fractional powers. So that we should remove first. Therefore, what we should do is we should rewrite this, okay, as dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to minus d square y by dx square minus x to the power of 1 by 4. First step, you write like that. The next, to eliminate the fractional power of the derivative on the left hand side, you take the third power of the both sides. Okay, so then it becomes whole cube. Okay. So this will remove all the fractional powers as far as the derivative is concerned. Okay, so you might have fractional power of x, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so only the derivative terms, we have to make sure that the fractional powers are removed. Okay, so this is dy by dx equal to minus 1 cube into d square y by dx square plus x power 1 by 4 whole to the power of 3. So I am not going to expand this. Okay, all we needed the first term. Okay, so that first term will be d square y by dx square whole cube. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வரும் plus 3 times d square by dx square whole square into x power 1 by 4 and so on. That's a square term, upper d square y by dx square term, upper over x term. Okay, but that doesn't matter. So we are only interested in what is the highest power. So it is 3. Which option is this? Is your option 1. Okay, so everybody got it? Let's move to problem number 2. Problem number 2. The differential equation, Santosh and Tino. Yeah, Tino, you came later, right? So please open your book. Exercise 10.9. I'm not going to write down the problem and the options, solution choices. Okay, so please, that's why I sent the set of questions, and I assume you are also having the book. So please bring the book, keep it in front of you, open the the relevant page. Okay, so we are not going to be writing down the problem. Okay, now problem number 2. What is the problem number 2? I just read out, right? The differential equation representing the family of curves y equal to a cos x plus b, where a and b are parameters, is there are 4 options given. Okay, so it's a family of curves having 2 parameters, a cos x plus b. A and b are 2 parameters. Okay. Okay. So the idea of differential equation is to eliminate the parameters. So each step you will remove a parameter, or sometimes in after 2 derivatives you can remove 2 parameters simultaneously. But normally, if there are 2 parameters, it will take 2 steps to eliminate those parameters. So it will be of the order of 2. Okay, but we will. But in this case, you're not just required to find the order. You have to find out that equation, right? So therefore, what you do? Has somebody done this? Then they can share the experience. Anybody?
Sir, d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0, sir.
D square y by dx square plus
Y equal to 0.
Yeah. Okay. Very good, Sundaresan. Did others also get? Anybody else? Tino or Santosh? So all we have to do is do one round of differentiation. Dy dx equal to a into minus cos x plus b.
Sir, minus sine.
No, sorry. Minus sine x plus b. That is minus a sine x plus b. Okay. Now you take a second derivatives. D squared by dx squared will be minus a cos x plus b. Okay. So you see that this is equal to y. Minus y. Because a cos x plus b is y, you have a minus sign here, so it is minus y. That is why the equation becomes d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0, which is your option 2. Nice. So far, so good. Easy problems, right? Okay. Go to problem number 3. Okay. So here also, you are supposed to find out the order and degree of differential equation. The equation given here is root of sin x into dx plus dy equal to root of cos x into dx minus dy. So what is the order?
1, sir.
Order equal to 1 because you only see dx and dy's. There is no d square terms. So, but we can also make it clearer by rewriting it in this way. Okay. So divide all the terms by dy. நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் familiar formula வரும். All by dx. Okay. So then it will become 1 plus dy by dx. இப்படி எழுதலாம். இப்ப பார்த்தா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கிளியராகவே தெரியுது. ஓகே. So order is 1 and degree
1, sir.
Degree 1. So it is very clear. Okay. But you can also try to solve this. Check. We'll move on to the next problem. This is order 1, degree 1. There are other problems where they are asking you to solve it. So this is also finding out the order and only the order. Okay, order of the differential equation of all circles with center at h and hk and radius a. Circles with center hk, radius a. So what is the equation for the family of circles using these parameters? It will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square. Okay. So now we have to find out only the order of this equation.
Three, sir.
Order is 3. Okay, very good.
Because
So,
3 constants, sir.
correct. If you see 3 parameters, no, you need to differentiate 3 times to eliminate the parameters. So if normally if an equation with 3 parameters is given, you can easily conclude that the order will be 3. Okay. Also, you can try to work it out. So you do first differentiation, you can remove 1 parameter. You can see that. So over parameter. To do a second derivative, you see that 2 into x minus h is 2x minus 2h. H போயிடும். So if you differentiate, obviously the h will go. அதே மாதிரி you can regroup the terms. So separate out the k term. So then do a third differentiation. The k will go. இது இந்த term வரையில் நான் போடுறேன். இப்போ இது differentiate பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 2 plus 2 into So this is a function of x, this is also a function of x. So it is a UV scenario. So what you should do? 2 into y minus k into d square y by dx square plus either the differentiation dy by dx into dy by dx. Okay. So at the end of this step, we eliminated h. Similarly, in one more step, we can rewrite the equation and eliminate k. I'm not going to go into that because the expression will be a very complex equation. But all you need to know is by properly regrouping, at every step we can remove one parameter. So order equal to 3. So this is which option? Option 2.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. Very good. So we have come to problem number 5. Okay. The differential equation of the family of curves y equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. So now we have to solve this, find out the differential equation by removing the two parameters. Okay. The equation is y equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. So the sine Marie, the sine cos functions put on Leah. So after a couple of steps, it will come back to the the same value. So here also it is behaving in a similar manner. Okay. So if you dy dx equal to a e power x will be a e power x itself. This one minus b e power minus x. The rendezvous what it differentiate panna, it will come back to the same. So the solution is d square y by dx square equal to y. Which is which option?
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. These are fairly easy. இதுல நீங்க கேட்கலாம் இங்க ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல எப்படி ஒரு பாராமீட்டர் எலிமினேட் ஆகலையே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல இல்லையா? நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம், ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல ஒரு பாராமீட்டர் ரிமூவ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு. இதுல ரிமூவ் ஆகலையே அப்படின்ட்டு. ஆனா இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன், இது ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன், ரைட்? இப்போ இது ரெண்டையும் வச்சுட்டு நம்ம சைமல்டேனியஸ் ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஸோ இது ரெண்டையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணாலே one variable will go away. So y plus dy by dx equal to 2a e power x அப்படின்னு வந்து இப்படியும் போடலாம் நம்ம. இப்போ இதே நம்ம இன்னொரு வாட்டி டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா திருப்பி இதே மாதிரி தான் வரும். ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் will be the same. Just I thought I will point it out. Okay. Next problem. Okay. Okay. General solution of differential equations dy by dx equal to y by x. So it is given that dy by dx equal to y by x. So we have to convert it into a normal equation by removing the derivative. So that is what is, solving a differential equation means, removing the derivative term and, converting into a normal equation without any derivatives. Okay. So how can we do this?
dy by y equal to dx by x, sir.
Very good. So this is called variable separation method because the variables are separable here. Then we must separate panel. Like you said, dy by y equal to dx by x. So then what should we do next? Integrate on both sides. Yeah. So integrate on both sides. What do you get? Log y. Plus c. இங்க ஒரு c வரும். நான் நெட்டா போட்டேன் ஒரே c because log y plus c1 equal to log x plus c2 அப்படினா நம்ம திருப்பி log y equal to log x plus c2 minus c1 அப்படினு எழுதலாம். So அதனால ஒரே c ஆயிடும். So that's why I written. Okay. Log y equal to log x plus c. So now we remove the derivative term now. So what is the correct option for that?
Sir, you want to take exponential, sir.
Yeah, because you don't see that option at all, right? So we need to do some simplification. எப்படி பண்ணலாம்னா log y minus log x, okay, equal to c. That means log y minus log x என்ன log y by x okay. Log y by x equal to c. That means y by x equal to e power c. Okay. Number e power c or constant da. So which can be like k. So it simplifies to y by x equal to k or y equal to kx. Y equal to kx. Okay. Did you get that solution? Sundaresan?
Yes, sir.
Y equal to kx. Okay. Which is your option 3.
3, sir.
Option 3. Okay. Problem number 7. The solution of the differential equation 2x dy by dx minus y equal to 3 represents what? Straight line, circles, parabola, ellipse. So now we have to solve it and see what type of equation we are getting. 2x dy by dx minus y equal to 3. So can somebody now that we saw that the variable separable method, separate the variables and solve, can you apply that principle on this? Can somebody, all of you take a couple of minutes and try to see how we can separate the variables here. யாராச்சும் முன்னாடியே போட்டீங்களா இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்?
No, sir.
Okay, so then try now. Just tell the first step if anybody has done. So how did you separate y and x?
dy by 3 plus dy by 1 equal to half dx by x, sir.
திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. dy by, tell me again.
3
Okay,
plus dy by y,
dy by y, yeah.
yes sir, equal to half dx by x.
Dx by x, x, huh?
Yes sir.
This is correct? Think பண்ணி பாருங்க. Is this the correct way to do?
Sir, no sir, it is wrong, sir.
Sir, 3 plus y divided by e power minus 1 by 4x square equal to c.
First step சொல்லுங்க Santosh. I think you've gone to the last step.
2x dy by dx is equal to 3 plus y, sir.
Correct. So you should write first like this: 2x dy by dx equal to y plus 3. So what is the next step? Because it's very clearly the the variables are separable.
dy by 3 plus y is equal to dx by 2x.
dy by y plus 3 equal to dx by 2x. Correct? Huh? Because this dx, 2x by dx, if it goes on the right hand side, it becomes dx by 2x. And this dy by that y plus 3, when it comes to the LHS, it becomes dy by y plus 3. So you can check it out once again. After you have done this transformation, just check it out that everything matches. Okay, now dy by y plus 3 equal to dx by 2x. So what next?
Integrate on both sides.
Integrate on both sides. So what are you getting?
Log of
equal to half into dx by x. Yeah. Log y plus 3 equal to half log x, right? Because here you can take out half, then it becomes dx by x. So it becomes half log x. Okay. So what next? So what does it represent? Circle, straight line, parabola. How do we say that?
Parabola, sir.
Sorry?
Parabola, sir.
Parabola. Okay. So what is your next step? Just tell me the next step.
Y plus 3 is equal to x power half. Sir.
Hmm. Okay. So log. Okay. So log y plus 3, we can bring it the 2 on the other side, no, to make it easy. 2 log y plus 3 equal to log x. Okay, or log y plus 3 whole square equal to log x. Because 2 log y plus 3 is log y plus 3 whole square, right? So equal to log x. So this is what you get. So what next? So when we integrated, we also have a plus c, right? And move to tau number. You have to be in general integration, we will have to put that. Okay. So அப்போ என்ன ஆயிடும், ரெண்டால மல்டிபிள் பண்ண 2 இது 2 இது 2c, அதனால இது c1 ன்னு வெச்சுப்போம், இத நம்ம c ன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகே. சோ இப்போ நம்ம ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல, அதனால இது plus c தான். What next? This becomes log y plus 3 whole square divided by x. Because in the log x இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா y plus 3 whole square minus log x ன்னு வரும். So log y plus 3 whole square minus log x equal to log y plus 3 whole square divided by x equal to c. Or இப்போ நம்ம e exponential power போடலாம். So that means y plus 3 whole square divided by x equal to e to the power of c. Again, like in the previous problem, e to the power of c is also a constant. Now we can put it as k. Right. So y plus 3 whole square equal to kx is the equation. Okay. So what does this represent? Circle, parabola, straight line?
Parabola, sir.
Parabola. Very good. Okay. Option 3. It actually represents a set of parabolas. Okay. Because you see y plus 3 whole square equal to kx. Unless we know fix the value of k, so it is a set of parabola. This is called general solution. So if you are able to determine the value of c using some other input, then it will become the particular solution. Okay, so this is a general solution. So set of parabolas, option number 3. So we go to problem number 8. The solution of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to 0. dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to 0. This is called first order first degree equation, standard equation, for which I think the solution is given in your book. This is something that we should remember. So there is an integration function defined for this type of equations. Okay. So but இதை நம்ம ஈஸியா சால்வே பண்ணிடலாம், வேரியபிள் செப்பரேட் பண்ணி நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம். Okay. dy by y equal to minus p of x by dx minus p of x dx dy by y. So integrating both sides, this is ln y equal to, this is minus integral p of x. We don't know the function, right? So we have to simply write like integral of minus p of x dx plus c. Now, like I said, no, the c will be there on both sides, c1 and c2. I am putting the net value as only one c. So integral minus px dx plus c, ln y equal to integral minus integral p of x dx plus c. What is the question? Okay, so we need to further simplify. There are options given. We need to get it in terms of y equal to something or x equal to something. Okay, so let us see. Minus, okay, let us see. So either number ln y minus ln c அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கலாம், ln k அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். Therefore, y by k equal to e power minus or y equal to k into e power minus integral p of x dx. Y equal to k into e power minus integral p of x dx. Which option is that? Instead of k, they have used c. So you can match with c. It's y equal to c into e power minus integral p dx. Option 2. Done. Problem number 8, right? dy by dx plus y equal to 1 plus y by lambda, right? dy by dx plus y equal to 1 plus y by lambda. Now we have to find out the integrating factor. Okay, this is what I was telling about. இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கும்போது we can find out the what is called integrating factor and அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி இதை நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் they are just asking you to find out the integrating factor. Okay, so what is the integrating factor? Does anybody know? Sundaresan or Santosh? Shino, you can also contribute if you can. What is integrating factor?
E power integration of p dx.
First, என்ன பண்ணணும் இதை? First of all, the equation has to be in a particular form. இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
What is that form?
dy by dx plus py is equal to q.
dy by dx plus p of x, okay, into y equal to q of x. Remember, these are all only, it should be functions of x. Y will mix out. We have to separate out x and y. So dy by dx, okay, dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. அப்படிங்கிற ஃபார்ம்ல நம்ம இதை எழுதினோம்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் then the integral factor is given in integration factor is given by what? What is the integration factor? In the equation நம்ம இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல நம்ம எழுதிட்டோம்னா அப்புறம் நம்ம integration factor எழுதிடலாம். Integrating factor equal to integral e power okay. The integrating factor in the formula number expression கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம்னா the integrating factor is e to the power of integral px dx. Okay, so adukku first let us see whether the given equation is in this form. Is it in this form? No, because on the right hand side it has to be q of x or constant. Okay, there should not be y in that. So but you see 1 plus y by lambda, right? So how do we rectify this? First we have to rearrange the terms, no, to get it in this format. Dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. What is p of x? P of x in circle problem. I'll give a minute.
One minus 1 by lambda.
1 by
1 minus 1 by lambda.
1 minus 1 by lambda. Okay, good. 1 minus 1 by lambda. Correct. How do you do that? Dy by dx plus y equal to, இதை நம்ம செப்பரேட் பண்ணணும். 1 by lambda plus y by lambda, and you have to bring the y to the left hand side. இப்போ we will take out y and make it into a function of x or constant. So the equation reduces to this form, which is in the required form. Okay, dy by dx plus py equal to q. So now p is this. So the integrating factor is What is integrating factor? இதுதான் சொன்னேன் கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி இல்லையா, e to the power of integral p dx. Okay. So we can try to further simplify this. We integrate பண்ணி நம்ம சொல்லிடலாம் என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு e to the power of integrate பண்ணா என்ன வரும், x minus x lambda. So this is what it is, e to the power of x minus x by lambda, or e to the power of x into 1 minus 1 by lambda. Okay. E to the power of x into 1. So it is not matching with any of the options given. I think there is something wrong in the options. Okay. So, but this is what it is. Integrating factor is e to the power of integral p dx. Okay. Next problem. The integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx plus p of x into y is x, right? Then find p of x. Okay. So based on whatever we have discussed, the IF okay, the IF of this equation is x. So we know the formula for Ix. So put that formula, match it with x, and try to find out p of x. Okay. I'll give you a couple of minutes.
Sir, 1 by x square.
1 by x. Okay. Okay. Did the others also get the same result? Okay. So all we have to do is e to the power of integral p of x dx is the integrating factor. So this is clearly given in that format: dy by dx plus p of x into y plus q equal to q of x. So then in e to the power of integral p of x dx is the integrative factor. So this is equal to x ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So from that you have to find out p of x. Okay. So that you can simply do by taking log on both sides. Now we know that integral p of x dx is ln x. Abdina p of x will be d by dx of ln x. Okay. Which is 1 by x. Good Sundaresan, good. 1 by x is which option? Option 3. Problem number 11. Okay. The degree of the differential equation y of x equal to a big infinite series is given. Okay. So 1 plus dy by dx plus 1 by 1 into 2 into dy by dx whole square, etc. So now here you have to use the binomial theorem. See what corresponds to what expression corresponds to this expansion. அப்படி போடணும். இல்லைன்னு சொன்னா it's infinite term, so the dy by dx the order will be the degree will be infinite, right? If you keep it as it is, order is 1 but the degree seems to be infinite. But by rewriting it, we can simplify this expression and bring down the degree. So that's what we need to do. So binomial theorem recollect பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம் இது என்ன இது அப்படின்ட்டு.
General
Yeah, tell me Sundaresh.
1 by n factorial dy by dx whole to the power n, sir.
Correct. The dy by dx விட்டுடுங்க இப்போ. For the time being you take it as 1 plus some p ன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. What does this correspond to? Just refer to your binomial theorem. Oh, binomial theorem or something else. So you see what it is. இது என்ன எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் சொல்ல முடியுது யாராலையாவது? Okay, so this is same as e to the power of p. Okay, this is same as series, not binomial expression, but other series, special series. E is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial. E to the power of p will be 1 plus p square by 2 factorial, and goes like that to infinity. So this, therefore, this expression becomes 1 plus e to the power of dy by dx. That is the expression. Okay. Y equal to so the given equation is y equal to 1 plus e power dy by dx. Okay.
Sir, the one number, sir.
So what is the order is 1. What is the degree? Looks like degree is undefined. Yeah. But you can define it because you rewrite it y minus 1 equal to e power dy by dx. Take log on both sides, it will become dy by dx equal to log y minus 1. So you can rewrite this in this way, dy by dx equal to log y minus 1. Okay. So that is why this is an first order, first degree equation. Okay. Okay. Option 3. Okay. Problem 12. Are you all following? Any doubt so far? Okay. So let's do a few more problems. Okay. So P and Q are the order and degree of the differential equation y dy by dx plus x cube d square y by dx square plus xy equal to cos x. Let me write it down. Yes. X cube plus xy equal to cos x. In this expression, the degree order is p and degree is 3. Sorry. Order is P and degree is Q. So what is the order of this expression?
2, sir.
Degree?
1, sir.
Yeah. So we can easily see that this is a very easy problem. Okay, so we can easily see that P equal to 2 and Q equal to 1. So then you'll have to choose which option. P less than Q, P equal to Q, P greater than Q, P exists and Q does not
P
exist.
greater than
P greater than Q, option 3. Okay, now there is a differential equation which you have to solve. I think this will be an interesting problem. dy by dx plus 1 by square root of x square, 1 minus x square. ஓகே நீங்க சால்வ் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்றீங்களா? இட்ஸ் ஈஸியா செப்பரேட் பண்ணிடலாம் வேரியபிள்ஸை. ஸோ வேரியபிள்ஸ் செப்பரேட் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க பார்ப்போம்.
Sir, y plus sin inverse is equal to c.
Y plus sin inverse x equal to c. Or sin x. Sin x or sin inverse? What did you
Sin,
get?
sin inverse x.
Sin inverse. Okay. Good. I think that is the right answer. Okay. So easier separate பண்ணிடலாம். Since so dy equal to minus dx by root of 1 minus x square னு வந்துடுது. Integrating on both sides. You'll get y equal to minus sin inverse of x plus c. Or y plus sin inverse of x equal to c. Y plus sin inverse of x அப்படி ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எக்ஸாக்டா அதே கொடுத்துருக்கு. Y plus sin inverse of x equal to c. Option option 1. So dy by dx equal to 2xy. இதுவும் ஈஸி தான், ஈஸியா செப்பரேட் பண்ணி போட்டுடலாம். Please work out and solve it and tell me. So variable separate பண்ணா என்ன ஆகுது?
dy by y is equal to 2x dx.
Very good. dy by y equal to 2x dx ன்னு எழுதிடலாம். So integrating இது ln y இல்லையா? dy by y. இது வந்து integral of x dx is 2 into x square by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So ln y equal to x square plus c. இதுக்கப்புறம் தான் கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும், அதை கரெக்டா போகணும் நம்ம. ஓகே, ஸோ இப்படி செப்பரேட் பண்ணிடணும். ln y மைனஸ் சி ஈக்குவல் டு எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஆர் ln, இதை வந்து ln y மைனஸ் ln kன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். y equal to k into e power x square. So e power x square. Okay, y equal to k into e power x square or c into e power x square. இது ஒன்று வச்சுக்கலாம். Which is your option? A equal to y equal to c into e power x square is option 1, right? We have come to 15th problem. இதோட நம்ம முடிச்சுக்கலாம் இன்னைக்கு. General solution of the differential equation log dy by dx equal to x plus y. Log dy by dx equal to x plus y.
Sir, option 2, sir.
1 second. Option
2, sir.
2. E power x plus e power minus y equal to c. Okay, good. That is the right answer. Good. So, வேற யாரெல்லாம் போட்டிருக்காங்க? Can you explain, Sundaresan? In the first step, என்ன பண்ணீங்க? எப்படி the variable separate பண்ணுறது?
Exponential, sir.
Okay. So first step is take exponential on both sides. Okay. You do that. Okay. What next? எப்படி நம்ம separate பண்ணுறது?
Sir, e power x into e power y, sir.
Very good. So this will write as e power x into e power y. இப்போ நம்ம செப்பரேட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, எப்படி வரும்? dy by e power y equal to e power x dx. கரெக்டா? e power minus y ன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். So now if integrate, you get minus e power minus y equal to e power x plus c. அவ்வளோதான், இதுக்கு மேலே ஒன்றும் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண முடியாது. e power x plus e power minus y plus c equal to 0. Okay, or you can write it as e power x plus e power minus y equal to c also. Minus c, the minus c can be another constant. So e power x plus e power minus y equal to constant, which corresponds to option 2, e power x plus e power minus y equal to constant. Okay, so இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் இதோட முடிச்சுக்கலாமா? Okay, good. Okay, see you all then in the next class. Bye then.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.